In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NordVPN connection issues on your device. By the end, you'll know how to quickly get back online by restarting, updating the app, and making a reliable manual connection to a server. First, let's give your device and the NordVPN app a fresh start. Save any open work, then fully close the NordVPN app so it's not running in the background. On a computer, make sure it's quit from the system tray or menu bar. On a phone or tablet, swipe it away so it's completely closed. Now restart your device. A clean reboot clears temporary glitches, resets network adapters, and frees up memory that might be causing the app to hang. Once your device is back on, open NordVPN again and let it load from scratch. This simple step often resolves odd connection errors without changing any settings. Next, update NordVPN to the latest version from within the app. Open the app, click or tap the settings cogwheel icon, and look for an Updates or About section. Check for updates and install any available version. Updates include bug fixes, security improvements, and protocol upgrades that can fix connection drops or slow handshakes, and they refresh how the app communicates with servers. Keeping NordVPN current also ensures you have the newest server list and the most stable connection methods. After updating, close and reopen the app once more to make sure everything initializes correctly. Now confirm your internet works without the VPN, then connect manually to a different server. Disconnect from NordVPN if it's trying to connect. Open a web browser and load a couple of regular websites to verify your base internet is stable. If pages don't load, address your internet or router first because the VPN can't connect through a broken connection. If your internet is fine, go back to NordVPN and choose a server manually from the map or country list. Pick a different location or a different city within the same country instead of using the Secure My Connection or Quick Connect button. This helps avoid congested or temporarily unavailable servers. Give it a few moments to establish a tunnel, then test by browsing again. If speeds are slow, try a nearby server for better latency or switch regions if a specific site is restricted. That's it. Restart your device and app, update NordVPN through the settings cogwheel, and verify your internet before manually choosing a new server. If you still have issues after these steps, check NordVPN's Help Center or contact their support for deeper diagnostics. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you connected smoothly.